The SEF extension identifies a Janome embroidery format file containing stitch patterns for Janome brand embroidery sewing machines. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open, edit, or convert these embroidery design files. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling SEF files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. SEF files are embroidery design files for Janome sewing and embroidery machines, storing stitch coordinate data thread, color assignments, and pattern dimensions for automated embroidery production on Janome-compatible equipment. Janome SEF files use a proprietary binary format, storing absolute stitch coordinates with color change commands, jump stitch markers, and design boundary information. The format is specific to certain Janome machine models and their firmware stitch interpretation capabilities. You will typically find EmbroideryWare developed by BriTon Leap, Inc. associated with SEF. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows does not decode sewing format geometry, so compatible embroidery applications are necessary. We'll begin by checking potential openers. Right-click the SEF file and click Open With. If EmbroideryWare is present, use that first. If it's missing, select another program. A quick test will reveal the right app. If the SEF file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection, let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, opening the file. Install Janome Digitizer or use the free Wilcom TrueSizer to open SEF embroidery files. Load the file to preview the stitch pattern thread colors and design dimensions. Verify the design fits your embroidery hoop size before sending to the machine. Next, converting to JEF. Use EmbroiderModder, Ink, Stitch, or Janome Digitizer to convert SEF files to GF format, the more widely supported Janome format. Open the SEF file and save as JEF via File. Then save as for broader compatibility across Janome machine models and editing software. Finally, transferring to machine. Save the embroidery design to a USB drive or memory card in a format compatible with your Janome machine. Insert the media into your Janome embroidery machine and navigate to the USB import function. Select the design preview the layout and begin stitching. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.